Welcome guys. Today I'm gonna open the winter treasure. I'm gonna open it all. I don't know, I just hoping for the best. So using the coin, and then we got a sale. Discount after discount. Yeah, Gaben. Bless me, Gaben. You must give me something, bro. Holy. I'm doing it, guys. Holy. The treasure. Don't waste time, let's go. What the first thing we got? No, of course not. Damn. Come on, keep spinning. Come on. I just wanna rare and get Venom. That's it. Never hope for the fucking this. Never. At least Venom. Okay. Come on, man. I see with the dog. But come on, give me something for New Year. I need it. I never had a career given. Hello, come on, man. Come on, man. Can I have a dollar? Can I have a dollar? Bullshit, man. Come on, bro. How many more? 6, 7 more, 8 more. At least give me the rare, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Give me the rare SD below. Aha! Okay. I need this more. Not much left. Oh my god. SD, at least SD. What the fuck? There's no way I don't get it. Only 4 more left. They gone. How many left, bro? You have to give me something, bro. Okay. Fair enough. At least I had one rare. One rare. It's okay. SD, please. Okay. Okay. At least there is W. Last one. Oh my god. Veno, please. No. No. I want to Veno. I got this two there. That's fine. At least I got it. One out of 27. You want me to buy again? A bit. Oh my god, I need to get you. Okay, Veno. Nah. It's okay. Only we got these two, that's all I need. That's fine. Veno. Suck hero. Boring hero. It's fine. Just try my luck. No Akanawira, it's okay. How many odds? Ooh. That is not easy. Okay, that's all maybe. It's okay. Goodbye. Hope you enjoy it.